Hello everyone, my name is Adebayo Ayolowo. If you're just joining us for the first time, I want to say welcome, and if you're returning for the second time, I want to say welcome back. CovDot is a channel where we post video that will help you to be a better creative person. It will help you to be a better graphic designer. So today we're going to be looking into how to create a video using a picture as the background, on PowerPoint. So let us go straight to the point. Now, this is PowerPoint. Now you've opened the document. So what we do is we go to design. From design, we go to page setup. So from the page setup, we want to click on, let's look at on screen show ratio 16:9. Click on it and click on OK. So that is the size of the document we are working on. So now let's go to insert our picture. So now let's insert this particular background. So I've already created this background before in Photoshop. Now whatever picture you're using, make sure they fit into the size of the canvas or the size of the page that you are working on. So now right click and send to back. So here let us add our content. Let us add Jeffrey Donald. So let's make the color white and let's change the font to Abrid Bold. If you don't have this particular font, you can always check Google. Abrid Bold, you can always check Google, type Abrid Bold, and you can download the font and its family. Now let's click on this brand consultant art CovDot. Now let's change the font to Abrid medium and let's change the size of the font to 18. So let's adjust it properly and let's change the color to orange. Then let's change the character spacing. Then let's say more spacing, normal. Let's put it 2 points, not normal. Okay, now it's good this way. So now select the two and add animation. Go to animation, add animation. So let's go to more entrance and let's click on float down. Okay it. Then let's go to animation pane. From here you can, let's play it. It's too fast. We can make it 225 and let's say this one 2 seconds. Let's play it. Fine. So now let's click on the background, and because we want the background to move, so to zoom in and zoom out, so we can say let's add animation, go to emphasis and click on grow and shrink. You see, then right click and select effect option. Here it allows you to adjust the way you want the background to move. So from the sides, this shows how you want the size of the background to zoom in So I want to say, let's go to 120%. Click on OK. Then click on auto reverse. Auto reverse allow the picture to zoom in and zoom out at the same time. Let's click on OK. So that's good. When you play it, you will see that the information play first before the background. So we don't want this to happen. So what we do is drag the background up, the animation for the background, drag it up, then go to start and select with previous. Click on this, select with previous, then click on this one to select with previous. Now everything should play simultaneously. You see the animation plays simultaneously. So the next thing we do is we'll add the animation for the exit. So let's go to more exits, and then let's go to zoom. Let's click on OK. So one thing about this zoom, don't always forget it has to be with previous for the two. Then let's increase the duration to 2 seconds. I want the duration to be 2 seconds. So now if you play it, you notice that the exit animation is what shows. So what we need to do now is select these two exit animation, make sure they happens after the entrance animation. So let's click on this. This is 2 seconds, 225 seconds. So what we're going to do now is make sure that we delay it more than 225 seconds. So I'll say let's make it 275 seconds. So 275 seconds. If you notice that the animation for the background is also 2 seconds, so you have to increase it in such a way that is more than every other animation together. So now the highest number we have is 275 seconds. So what we're going to do is we increase this one to 30 seconds. So now if you check the animation, you will see that the animation for the picture extend more than every other animation. So let's play, for example. You see, wow, nice. That's very good. We've done a very good job. So now what we're going to do is save. So you're going to go here and save as. When you save as, you click on here and save as Windows Media Video. So save the file and let's preview. So let's preview. So from the preview, this is what we have done. As you can see the transitions. So that's very good. That's very good. So I hope you're able to learn one or two things from this particular video. I just want to appreciate you for checking this video out. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, because by doing this, it helps us to grow as a channel and it helps us to be able to reach out to more people out there. Thank you very much. Please see you next time.